Oh, hi. Well,
Spin that spinner!
Okay, I'm doing it. Okay, look back.
The Ronald's on the board, baby.
Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn!
I wonder what I'll find over here.
And now the small but mighty Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese!
You made it to Old Faithful. Just in
Yes,
time
Old
to see it
Faithful.
erupt. You earned 10.
Spin that spinner, Hal!
100. Yeah?
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
It's my turn. Onward and trailward! Incredible! You
Yeah.
spotted obsidian at Yellowstone National
Good,
Park!
good,
You
good.
earned 25! Ronald,
Okay.
may the spin be with you!
Okay, guys, I will be. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I will.
It's Ronald time.
Give it a super spin, Daisy!
I'll be.
Man, oh man,
I'll be
this
back
is sweet.
when almost at the end, okay?
Squeaks, spin away!
Let's do this, man!
It's your turn, Hal, my pal.
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
Grampy Donald shows you how to tap a tree for sap. You earn 25. If you're me, Ronald, or Hal, you earn 10 more.
Onward and spinward! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Your turn, Ronald. Good luck.
Boom,
I can't believe I
shakalaka.
just said that. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally-ho!
I just love these wild places. Welcome to Grand Canyon National Park. There are 22 species of bats that live in the Grand Canyon. Man, oh man, they fly fast. Can you spot them? Pictographs found on canyon walls of the Grand Canyon are evidence of people who hunted, lived, or passed through the area thousands of years ago. At its widest point, the Grand Canyon is 18 miles across. At its tallest, it is more than 1 mile deep.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near, near, near.
Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Get ready for the mighty trail, Hal.
I just love nature.
Incredible! You spotted obsidian at Yellowstone National Park. You earned 25. The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! So much nature to see. Ronald.
The Ronald's on the board, baby.
So sweet! You found pictographs on the walls of the Grand Canyon. You earned 25.
Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese!
Hal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Let's do this. Onward and trailward. Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald.
It's Ronald time.
You hiked to the bottom of the Grand Canyon with Granny Bunny. Love you, Granny Bunny. You earned 25. If you're me, Hal, or my pal Daisy Tutu also, you get another 10.
Oh yeah. It's Daisy's turn.
Man, oh man, this is sweet!
Welcome to the Great Salt Lake. This salty body of water is an important stop for millions of migrating birds every fall and spring. Wait, did I just say that?
There are no fish in the Great Salt Lake. It's too salty. But you can find lots of tiny brine shrimp and brine flies. That's good eating for hungry migrating birds. The Great Salt Lake is a closed lake. That means water flows in, but not out.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near, near, near.
And now the small but mighty Squeaks.
Let's do this, man.
Spin that spinner, Hal.
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
Nature Cat. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. You're rewarded for your amazing service to the agents of the great outdoors. You earn 15. Ronald, may the spin be with you.
Boom shakalaka.
Dream Crossing, spin again. Give it a super spin, Daisy.
I just love these wild places.
You're rewarded for your amazing service to the agents of the great outdoors. You earn 15. Squeaks, spin away.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
You're rewarded for your amazing service to the agents of the great outdoors. You earn 15. It's your turn, Hal, my pal.
I just love nature.
Fossil! You found the fossil of a trilobite. You earned 25.
It's my turn. There's so much nature to see.
Uh-oh. Voles have moved into Hal's doghouse. You lose 10.
Your turn, Ronald. Good luck. I can't believe I
Ronald's
just
on
said
the
that.
board, baby.
Whoopsie. You forgot to make something for Aunt Reva's nature art show. You lose 15.
Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally-ho.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese!
Get ready for the mighty trail, Hal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Onward and spinward. Onward and trailward.
Welcome to the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve. You'll probably hear a prairie chicken before you see one. They aren't so easy to find.
Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve is the largest stretch of tallgrass prairie left in the world. By the end of the summer, big bluestem grass at the Tallgrass Prairie may be as tall as 8 feet. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir!
Ronald.
It's Ronald time.
Houston, we have a problem. Spin again.
Oh yeah, sorry about that.
Daisy.
Man, oh man, this is sweet.
No way, man. All the strawberries for Sadie are moldy. You lose 10.
Squeaks.
Subscribe.